Hello, welcome back to AJM Learn. Today I'm going to show you how to round the corners of an inset background in Squarespace. So here's how you do that if you're not aware. So go into whatever your section is. I have a couple of them here. You'd go into edit section, background, and then just change it from full bleed to inset. Now each different theme, so if I were to add a blank section and choose like a different theme, each theme has like a color setting. So you can actually set that over here in your site styles, colors. You would, do the correlating one, and it's inset border. So that is the color of the border there. I like to do a lot of times this like whatever the background of the main part of your site is, like white. Just to give a floating look, because that kind of full width banner is a little less in style now. So anyway, that's my use case, but let's get into it. Remember, I do post quick videos like this every single week, so subscribe if you like learning things about Squarespace. Okay, jumping in. So basically you're going to paste this piece of CSS directly in, and as you can see, it immediately works. So these edges here are rounded. Again, like if your brand is rounded throughout, it always looks nice to have this consistency. You can, of course, change the border radius here, however fits what the look you're going for. And then the last thing I want to show you is you can also apply this to just one section if you want. So I use the Squarespace ID Finder Chrome extension. That's all in the tutorial. You can grab that. So you're going to grab this section ID, and you're actually just going to put it before everything and then a space. So now it's just targeting this section. It's only going to apply the CSS to this section, and the rest are still not rounded. Okay, hope you enjoy.